welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a try on haul. I'm so excited because honestly lately I've been feeling so confident in my body. I don't want to say I was depressed or anything. I was just like, you know what, I don't feel good about my body. But then I snapped out of it and I'm like, you know what, girl, fashionnova got me, fashionnova curb. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what, wear whatever I want. So I went ahead and I bought some pieces. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I like them, and I like how they looked on me. I do have a gut and I have a belly. I did have 3 kids, so I do have a belly. Unless I'm planning to get surgery, that belly is not going anywhere. Even if I lose weight, it's going to still be there because, you know, I had 3 C-sections. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to talk about every piece that I picked. I am wearing one right now. It's a long sleeve crop top. I feel so confident when I wear this top. I've worn it already 3 times already and I love it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I tried it on with in a full clip. I just kind of wanted to talk about the material. Everything is very nice, even though it's really hot right now in California. I'm so over fucking summer. Like, let's get fall back already and let's start with the cold weather because honestly I'm tired of it. It's very comfortable. The material is not like too heavy that I'm gonna be itchy and hot, so I'm like comfortable wearing it, to be honest with you. And it is a crop top, so I'll show you a little clip of what it looks like. So I really like this one. All right, so I also saw this one, and every size that I got will be listed down below and what I got. So you guys, if you guys are interested in getting the same pieces, you can definitely just look at the names and just search the names and it'll pop up. So I did also, before I move on, I do post like full outfit pictures on my Instagram or video on Snapchat. So I'll link all my social medias down below so you guys can go ahead and check them out if you guys are interested. So anyways, I also got this other crop top knitted kind of sweater. When fall comes and it starts being like that good weather where it's not too hot and it's not too cold, I can actually wear this. I did put this on in the video so you guys can see. It's a crop top and I really like it because it's like kind of cleavagey. So yeah, that's what it looks like and I really like it. So I can't wait until it starts being like really cool, good weather, so I can actually wear this out. So yeah, so I got that. And then I also went out of my comfort zone. I decided, you know what, Grace, try something that you haven't used or you haven't worn, like something that, you know, we want to try something different. I went ahead and I got myself 2 rompers. The first one was a red romper, and you guys will see in the video. I like the material. Everything is really nice. It does have like a little thing on the waist. It's shorts, so I'm not showing like my undies or anything like that. It's like a to the side. It's not like all the way up, so it's off the shoulder and it's very comfortable, and the material is nice and fresh, so I can wear it. You guys will see in the video that I'm wearing it and I'm very comfortable and I like it. So it's very pretty. And then the sleeves are like, you know, reminds me of Selena Bitty Bitty Bam Bam type of thing. So yeah, so I got that one. And then I also got another one, and I actually wore this for date night with my husband. I posted a clip on it on Snapchat and my Instagram, and a lot of people liked it. I felt really sexy in it because, you know, it has cleavage. They're shorts and they're really short. And then my boobies were showing, and my boobies were looking great that day, so I really liked how it looked. And the material is amazing. So it's kind of see-through from the front, not too much, but I like it that it's like double on the bottom, so you can't see like your crotch or anything. Very comfortable, made my booty look good. So I wore this to a date night with my husband, so I really liked it. My other favorite product that I got as well, this one is a crop top, black with the red sweater, and it's a long sleeve. Even though it's hot, I still wear this because I really like the material. Like from the inside, it's not like really hot. Like people are like, aren't you like hot? It's like, no, I'm comfortable wearing it. So it's like a very nice material in the end. It's not too like heavy where I cannot wear it, but I can still wear it when it's cold. So it's a crop top, like I said. And this one's one of my favorites. So these two are like my favorite pieces of all time. Then I also got 2 pairs of jeans. I still have them in the packaging because let me tell you something. The jeans from fashionnova are all I wear, and I already have like my 4 pairs of favorite jeans from fashionnova. So I try to order fashionnova jeans maybe every 6 months, unless I'm feeling like I want to try something new, then I'll try something else. But these jeans, I already have them and they're my favorite. These are the classic mid-rise skinny jeans. They make my butt look big. I like the color. I think these ones are a little bit darker than the ones that I have, I believe. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong. But I do love these jeans. The material of them are stretchy. If my booty is too big, you know, they fit in them. They just fit so well in your body. Trust me, you guys have to try the jeans. Like, I don't care if they even if I have a code with them, I don't get paid with them, but it just shows them that, you know, people actually watch my videos and it's worth me getting clothes from them. So anyways, but aside of that, the jeans feel amazing in your body. They make your body look snatched. Like, I'm not joking. You have to try a pair of jeans. They are amazing. So this is the jeans, stretchy, has pockets in the back, and you know, has pockets in the front. Really love fashionnova jeans. So I got these ones because I love these ones that don't have like no cuts on them. I did order ones that do have cuts, so I'm gonna show you guys that right now. So I got that, and then I also got a I want to call it a, what is it, never felt better tunic. So it's kind of basically like a sweater dress, something like that. I did show you guys. I will post like all that information on the bottom bar for you guys, like I said. This is what it looks like. I actually wore this for my Instagram, for my YouTube video where I did my makeup as Take Me to Tiffany's. Kind of was inspired by this color. So yeah, I love this one. It feels so good. I can wear it with my chucks. It looks really good. So, and then I'm gonna show you guys my jeans. I didn't take these out because, like I said, I am saving them for when the other ones I cannot wear no longer. They're I'll be able to wear these. So this is like my second favorite jeans. Honestly, if I had to choose between the other ones and this one, this would be my first choice, because I like how they have like a little cut in the knee and they're skinny jeans. They are so stretchy. Honestly, fashionnova jeans are the thing. I swear by them. I don't care. I swear by fashionnova jeans. These are the Canopy jeans, medium blue wash. This is what they look like. These are my favorite pair of jeans. Like I said, if I were to show you guys my closet, I did post it once on my Snapchat, all my collection of fashionnova jeans, and my closet is full of them. So yeah. All right, what else? And lastly but not least, I also got me a Tupac shirt. I kind of wanted to try something different, so I was like, oh my god, I really like this shirt. So I got a Tupac long sleeve shirt. It looks really nice. I really like loose fitted shirts because I can hide my gut when I'm feeling extra chubby or something. I want to say curvy because, you know. So I did get this shirt and it looks really good. You guys are going to see in the video. It looks really good. So I'm excited for you guys to see all the outfits together. Let me know what piece you guys liked in the comments down below. So if you guys want to see how I styled all my pieces, just keep on watching. I love you guys so much. And don't forget to use my discount code XOMissGrace. All that information will be in the down bar. So if you forget in the video, everything will be in the down bar. And you guys can definitely check them out. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching. And keep on watching to see how I put all my pieces together. Love you guys.
I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. Away. I'm tired of the pain. to get by.